Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you this recipe. Basically, it's the easiest recipe ever. If you have a get-together, a potluck, a birthday party, a gathering, and you don't know what to bring, this is a good idea. All you need is some ripe olives, some mayonnaise, or you can use Miracle Whip, and a box of salad macaroni. You can use any kind of macaroni that you like, but I prefer this one. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I filled a pot of water with 16 cups. It's 4 quarts of water per pound, and I have a pound of noodles. So I'm gonna let that boil until it gets nice and soft. Alright, so now my noodles are soft. I'm gonna put them in the strainer. What I'm gonna do now is run the cold water on them until they're cooled down. Or you can put them in a bowl and put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. But I'm gonna go ahead and let these cool down. Alright, so now my noodles are nice and cooled down. I'm gonna add my seasonings, which is pepper, onion powder, and salt. This is really easy, guys. So I'm gonna put my olives in here. You don't have to use olives, but you can. Then I'm gonna start putting my mayo in here. And then we're gonna stir this all up. Alright you guys, and it's as easy as that. I stirred it all up and we are all done. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.